What's poppin'? It's been a hot fucking minute since I've posted anything other than a stream archive. This is a sync cabinet over here. Just ignore the back of my head looking all dusty. Actually, no, that's cute. Today I'm shaving my head. I don't have hair cutting scissors, so I use fabric scissors because they're sharp. So, my hair's not actually this long. Secrets! So this is how long my hair actually is. You can even see. Okay, yeah, I got it on the frame. And as you can see, right now I haven't washed it since I dyed it. Here we go! The line of demarcation from my last haircut. Oh my god, oh my god! Ah! No turning back now! I'm gonna speed through the rest of this. Alright, so I'm gonna go take a shower. We'll come back to this. Okay, so I cut a little bit more off the long part in the back. Oh, I feel like Brie Larson, bitch! Oh my god! I washed it with clarifying shampoo, but that didn't seem to take too much of the green out. Obviously none of the black. However, does open up the cuticle, so that means it'll be a little bit easier to lighten. We're gonna do most of my head, these two. I'm hoping it will turn pink, but it'll probably be orange because this is what I mixed when I had the half blue, half pink, and it turned orange eventually, so whatever. And then I want to do a little streak right, like here, bright blue. If I feel like it's still too dark, I will add this red to the color because when it fades, it'll be pink. So, yeah, got a backup plan. Because I'd always rather have darker color and fade it than try to like have white hair. So, this is like, literally this is my natural hair color. It's like this dark, dark brown. And then I just dye it black over the top. So, yeah. Don't use box dye, kids. So, in case you didn't believe that my hair is naturally curly and thick, this is when it's completely dry. Yep, I am definitely happy with this. Okay. So naturally, we're gonna fuck it up and color it. This is what my hair looks like, dry with no product. Alright, and she's done. And I did put on makeup just because I literally felt so awkward. Yeah. Literally haven't had hair this short ever, other than the little bit I did in high school. Haven't had hair short in general for like 5 years, so this is very interesting. Might still lose my shit and cut this whole part off. But for now, this is what we got. She cute. She fresh. She slightly Karen from this side. Do a little twirl. So yeah. It's my mental breakdown and I get to choose the hair dye.